Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got something special for all you photography and videography enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the world of the Canon EOS R100, a mirrorless camera that's making waves in the market. In this video, we'll explore its features, capabilities, and why it's being hailed as the best DSLR mirrorless camera for video. Let's get started. The Canon EOS R100 is a compact, lightweight mirrorless camera that's packed with incredible features. It's perfect for both photography and videography, offering versatility and performance at an affordable price point. Now, let's dive into some of the key features that make the Canon EOS R100 stand out from the crowd. The EOS R100 boasts a 24.1 megapixel APS-C size CMOS sensor and a DIGIC-8 processor. This combination delivers high-quality images with natural bokeh, ensuring your shots look stunning and professional. For video enthusiasts, this camera offers 4K video recording at up to 24 frames per second. It also supports full HD video at 60 frames per second, making it ideal for capturing those cinematic moments. The EOS R100 features dual-pixel CMOS AF, which covers a wide area of up to 143 zones. It also offers auto-subject detection and eye detection AF with servo AF. This means you can achieve precise focus, whether you're shooting photos or videos. One of the standout features of this camera is its compact and lightweight design, making it incredibly portable. It's perfect for on-the-go content creators who need a camera that won't weigh them down. The EOS R100 comes equipped with both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities. You can easily connect it to your smart devices using the Canon Camera Connect app, allowing for remote control and quick file transfers. The camera's silent mode is a game changer. It lets you capture moments without disturbing your surroundings. Great for situations like recitals or capturing a sleeping baby without any shutter noise. Now, let's take a look at some sample images captured with the Canon EOS R100 to showcase its capabilities. The Canon EOS R100 is available at an affordable price point, making it accessible to a wide range of users. Check the description below for the latest pricing and availability. To wrap things up, the Canon EOS R100 is a stellar mirrorless camera that offers outstanding performance for both photography and videography. Its compact size, 4K video recording, and advanced focusing capabilities make it the best DSLR mirrorless camera for video in the market today. If you're looking to elevate your content creation game, the Canon EOS R100 might be your perfect companion. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more details and current pricing. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful product reviews. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with the Canon EOS R100, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.